Hello everyone. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at how to make money with online trading when you don't know how to trade. So essentially we will be making trading fun again. So looking at the platform we are using, it's called Prime XBT. Um, the idea is to basically back other traders. So as you can see, we're looking at the top traders on the platform. It's still in a beta phase, so when you get to this section, you'll have to sign up, and then eventually, after about 2 or 3 days, you'll get invited, and then you can carry on trading. To get started with Covesting, you will need some Bitcoin in your account or your wallet. You can on the account page, you can just go to deposit to wallet, buy Bitcoin, and then use your card to deposit. Alternatively, you can create a wallet on another Bitcoin wallet site. You can deposit in there and transfer to here. For the people that want to use PayPal, only limited sites use PayPal for buying Bitcoin, and then you can just transfer it to your Prime account. So the first section we're going to be looking at is the rating section. Here you'll see all the potential strategies you can join. There's quite a few to pick from. They probably come and go. But we will obviously be focusing on the top 10. Statistically wise, if you invest in the top 10, you should be making money. We can look at the first guy. He's up over 300% in 80 days. And so on. You can see a few. Okay, some people didn't do so great today. We're only halfway through the day anyway. But yeah, you can switch between Bitcoin and dollars. Okay, the next section we'll be looking at is the portfolio. Yeah, you can see all my current holdings. You can see the Bitcoin price at the current time. And you can see all your winners and losers. Overall, things are going well. almost 12.5% after just a few short days. And yeah, you can, under each listing, you can drill down, see how it's been going since you bought it, or started backing or following. Okay, so when it comes to fees, yeah, you can see what it will cost to create a strategy, and you can also see where your money is going when you're following a candidate. So let's focus on a smaller amount. So 60% of the profit will go to you, 20% will go to the platform, and 20% will go to the manager. To actually start following somebody, you'll go to rating, you'll pick somebody, and put in the amount. You'll see your total amount, and then you just pick the amount you want to use and say follow. And that's it. It's quite an enjoyable experience. Feels a bit like gambling, but it definitely makes trading fun again. I would like to thank you for listening, and please like and subscribe.